In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide your birthday on Facebook. So firstly, open any web browser and log in your Facebook account. Then click on your name. In here, click on About. And this About section, you will see your birth date. So to hide your birthday, click on Edit Your Contact and Basic Info. Basic information. So here you can hide your birthday. So click on Edit in front date of birth and select and click on this drop down and select only me. If you want to hide, so select only me, and also in front here click this drop down and select only me. So like this you can hide your date of birth on Facebook. There are some another option like you can enable your date of birth for friends, or you can select custom. So in custom, share with these people or list. So here you can add some people's like friends, and friends of friends can see and able to see your birth date. Then click on save changes. So to make private, select only me, and there are some another option like for public and custom. So hopefully friends you like this video. Thanks for watching this video. By this quick method we can know how to hide birthday on Facebook. Thanks for watching.